sleeping yet. I'm just lying down. But just so what I've seen today, Mercury isn't only the first planet close to the sun. There's one planet which was named Vulcan, but it was already gulped up by the sun. But it's very, very near. So that gulped up. The planet is not gray. It's not the color gray, but it's red. Fully red. And then, once it got gulped, there's Mercury, which was still orbiting. Venus, it was also still orbiting. Venus is actually a very hot planet when you see its surface. But due to its very thick atmosphere, you cannot really see the texture of the planet. Mercury, it's just like a rock. It's just a rock. It looks like a rock. Earth is where the place we live. It's the most healthiest planet. I mean, it's the only habitable or hospitable planet. And then next to Earth is Mars, which is the one that we just saw earlier. Mars. Let's see here. Oh, I just forgot. Mars is actually, you can use fraction for the sizes of the planets. Mars is 1/3 the size of Earth, so it's smaller. This is Earth, which is bigger, but this is Mars. And the next to Mars is Jupiter, which is followed by the Sun. It is very big, and you cannot live in it. It has very wild winds and one typhoon. I mean, not only one typhoon. I'm talking about the Great Red Spot, which is the biggest storm or typhoon in the solar system. It is very, very strong wind. Plus, it has no surface. It's made out of acid. I mean, no, it's not made out of acid. No, most of it is carbon dioxide, which is bad air. I don't know the other airs, but next to it is Saturn, the second biggest planet. It has rings, very visible rings, which are made out of dust. I think powder dust or a collision of planets. But it's still unknown how Saturn got its rings. But Saturn, its largest storm, is at the top. It's at the top of the planet. And it's in a nearly perfect hexagon shape. And next to Saturn is Uranus. All I know is it's also one of the ice giants alongside with Neptune. And it also has rings, but very, very, very invisible. I mean, invisible is like you cannot see it, but invisible is like hard to see. It's very hard to see. It's very thin. Next to Uranus is Neptune, which also has a ring. Although it's just one ring or two rings, but it's also very hard to see. And before it was blue, like the full blue, the ocean blue. But now it's the same color as Uranus, no longer the blue color. It's now turquoise. And Pluto, which seems now to be a dwarf planet, but before it was a planet, so I'll just talk about it too. All I know is some satellites of NASA, it went past it and was able to take a photo of Pluto, so we know what it now looks like. It's also still just a rock. You can die there quickly because it's very freezing. And plus, it's also the smallest planet out of all. It's this tiny. I think this tiny. This, I'm not sure. It's very small. This one here in the center, I think that's the size. This one here in the center. So, bye everyone. See you in the next one.